Machiegni kendo nyaka Ramogi Sirkal mapacho ka kokalo kuom bad migawo mar tiegruok manyasani kata ICT olando ni gin kod chenro mar chiwo omenda madhi medo chiwo thuolo mag menyo kokalo e mbui kod weche manyasani. Mago yangi kod jagoro kotero kod meta mondo ber chudo maggi.
They give us just very little. So it's launched back in time. For example, YouTube are very clear. They even have.
Tambo manze mboka yetu msea kwa anajua ati ni mboka ati msea anaweza tegemea unacheki, lakini sasa najua ni mboka yenyewe. Hadi mayutu mtani watakuwa naambiana ama msea kicheki mjunior wake ameanza kucreate content hivi kidogo anamwambia fuata hiyo line juni mboka unacheki.
For the first time we are being appreciated, our efforts are being seen. So this is just to appreciate the State Department for ICT and Digital Economy, because for a very long time creatives, content creators have been taken for granted. Our job has been taken like a joke.
We are looking at opportunities to support capacity building for creators across the country, which we hope in the course of the year we'll be able to engage more with the creator community across the country through the collaboration in Open University, but even more in terms of workshops and other places.
We want to make sure that they can monetize their talent, they can monetize their creation, they can be able to build brands, they can support our MSMEs to adopt digital platforms for marketing and advertising. We want to see them to focus on niche areas so that they can market our country globally and attract tourism, attract investments to our country